Hi there. So today I'm going to talk about the first steps of sewing. After you have the top of your machine threaded with the top thread, you're going to take that tail coming off the needle and you're going to tuck it underneath the presser foot through that little opening. You're going to bring it up around to the left and tuck it behind the thread cutter to the left of the machine. Then your bobbin thread under here, you're going to take the bobbin thread, tuck it into the thread cutter off to the right. You can tear the thread off and then close the bobbin plate cover. Next step is you're going to align the edge of your fabric with the distance of seam allowance that you are making. Most patterns will use 5/8 of a seam allowance, and this is a 5/8 line on my metal needle plate. I'm going to align the edge of my fabric exactly with that line. I'm going to place the presser foot down, and then I'm ready to sew.